Welcome to our channel, where we explore natural ways to enhance your health and beauty. Today, we're diving into a powerful herbal remedy that can help you deeply cleanse your skin, reduce acne, and give your face a natural glow, all without harsh chemicals. If you're tired of using expensive skincare products that don't work or cause irritation, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so you don't miss out on more natural health tips just like this one. We'll break this video down into the following parts: why skin detox matters, the power of parsley and lemon in skin health, how to prepare the remedy, who should use it and who shouldn't, scientific insights on the ingredients, frequently asked questions, final recommendations. Let's begin. Part 1. Why this mask works. Your skin is the largest organ of your body. Every day, it's exposed to pollutants, toxins, UV rays, bacteria, and synthetic chemicals, all of which can clog pores, cause dullness, and lead to breakouts. When your skin's detoxification process is sluggish, you might notice oily skin, blackheads and whiteheads, acne, uneven skin tone, premature aging. A proper skin detox doesn't just clear the surface, it supports the liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system, which are your internal cleaning crew. When these systems function well, your skin naturally becomes clearer, brighter, and healthier. That's where our natural remedy comes in. Fruit-based masks are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and natural acids that can gently exfoliate, brighten, and nourish your skin. Apricots are packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, perfect for reducing blemishes and boosting your skin's glow. Red apples contain powerful antioxidants like quercetin and polyphenols. The peel, especially, is rich in nutrients that support youthful skin. Part 2. Ingredients you'll need. Here's what you need. 4 firm apricots. Make sure they are not soft. The firmness means they are still packed with active compounds. 1 large red apple, preferably a dark red variety. Avoid yellow or green apples for this recipe. Half cup of water, about 100 milliliters. This amount is enough for about 4 applications, perfect for a skincare night with friends. Part 3. Preparing the ingredients. Start by peeling the apricots. Peel them thickly and remove the seeds. You should feel the firmness of the fruit when you touch it. Next, peel the red apple very thinly. You want to keep as much of the red peel as possible, as that's where most of the antioxidants are. Then, chop both the apricots and the apple into small pieces. The smaller, the better. This will make it easier to cook them down and mash later. Part 4. Cooking the mask. Add all the chopped fruits into a small pot. Pour in about half a cup of water. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Stir occasionally with a wooden spoon. As the fruits soften, begin mashing them gently in the pot. After about 6 minutes, they will become a soft, pulpy mixture. If you have a hand blender, you can use it to puree the mixture, but if not, a wooden spoon works just fine. Part 5. How to use the mask. Once the mixture has cooled down to room temperature, your natural skin mask is ready. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. As it dries, the fruit acids will gently exfoliate, while the vitamins hydrate and brighten your complexion. Part 6. Final tips and benefits. Use this mask 2 to 3 times per week for best results. This simple combination of apricot and apple helps. Cleanse the skin naturally, reduce dullness and signs of fatigue, promote a more youthful, even skin tone. And remember, this isn't just for women. Men can benefit from natural skincare too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves natural beauty tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more herbal skincare recipes and wellness ideas. Thanks for watching and stay naturally beautiful.